The future is arriving faster than anyone expected, where once impossible inventions are now becoming reality. From mind-bending gadgets to world-changing tech, here are 15 breakthroughs in 2025 you won't believe actually exist. Antigravity A1. The Antigravity A1 looks straight out of science fiction, but it's very real. Designed with advanced propulsion tech, it creates lift without relying on traditional wings or rotors. This breakthrough promises silent, efficient, and futuristic travel with potential applications in personal transport, military operations, and even space exploration. Compact yet powerful, the A1 challenges everything we thought we knew about flight. It's not just an aircraft, it's a glimpse into a future where gravity may no longer hold us back. Holile Floor. The Holile Floor is like stepping into the future of movement. This innovative surface lets you walk endlessly in any direction while staying in one spot, perfect for VR, AR, and immersive training simulations. Each tile adjusts in real time, creating a seamless walking experience that feels natural and limitless. Beyond gaming, it could transform fitness, remote work, and even space training. The Holile Floor isn't just a gadget. It's the foundation of virtual worlds made real under your feet. Parker Solar Probe. The Parker Solar Probe is humanity's boldest mission to the sun, flying closer to its fiery surface than any spacecraft in history. Traveling at record-breaking speeds, it gathers data on solar winds, magnetic fields, and extreme heat. Information vital to understanding how the sun powers our solar system. Its shield withstands temperatures over 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, protecting delicate instruments inside. By unlocking the sun's secrets, the Parker Solar Probe could help predict solar storms that threaten satellites, power grids, and even Earth's communication systems. Mosquito-sized drone. The mosquito-sized drone is one of the most advanced micro-drones ever developed, engineered to replicate the movement and stealth of real insects. Small enough to slip unnoticed into tight spaces, it can be used for surveillance, search and rescue missions, and even scientific exploration in environments too dangerous for humans. Equipped with miniaturized cameras and sensors, this tiny drone proves that big impact can come in the smallest package, blurring the line between futuristic tech and living creatures. Pininfarina's Tarama Concept. Pininfarina's Tarama Concept is a futuristic electric vehicle that looks more like a sci-fi shuttle than a car. Designed as a fully autonomous EV, it ditches traditional controls and focuses on passenger comfort with a lounge-style interior. Its sleek aerodynamic body maximizes efficiency, while advanced AI systems handle navigation and safety. Built with sustainability in mind, the Tarama showcases how future mobility could combine luxury, autonomy, and eco-friendly design, offering a bold glimpse into the transportation of tomorrow. Michelin Whisimo. Michelin's Whisimo project introduces an inflatable wing sail designed to reduce fuel consumption and emissions in maritime shipping. The sail automatically inflates and adjusts to wind conditions, helping cargo ships harness clean wind energy alongside traditional engines. Easy to install on both new and existing vessels, it offers a practical solution for greener transport. By cutting fuel use and lowering carbon output, Michelin's Whisimo could play a major role in making global shipping more sustainable in the near future. A350F Freighter. The Airbus A350F Freighter is a next-generation cargo aircraft built for efficiency and sustainability. Designed with advanced lightweight materials and powerful Rolls-Royce engines, it reduces fuel consumption and emissions compared to older freighters. With a large payload capacity and extended range, it can transport goods across continents while maintaining lower operating costs. As global demand for cargo rises, the A350F positions itself as a cleaner, smarter, and more reliable solution for the future of air freight. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is often called the holy grail of energy, promising nearly limitless, clean power by replicating the process that fuels the sun. Unlike nuclear fission, it produces minimal waste and no long-lived radiation. Recent breakthroughs like achieving net energy gain in experimental reactors have brought fusion closer to reality. If scaled successfully, it could replace fossil fuels and transform global energy systems. offering humanity a sustainable path toward powering cities, industries, and technologies of the future. Doppelmeer Geravventa. Doppelmeer Geravventa is revolutionizing urban and mountain transport with its state-of-the-art cable car and gondola systems. Known for efficiency, safety, and eco-friendly design, their technology moves thousands of people quickly while reducing traffic congestion and emissions. From ski resorts to bustling cities, these systems provide smooth, scenic, and sustainable travel experiences. With innovations in automation and energy use, Doppelmeer Geravventa is shaping the future of mass transit, proving that aerial mobility can be both practical and breathtaking. Biocellex. Biocellex is pioneering the future of biotechnology by automating cell culture for research and therapeutic applications. This advanced system allows scientists to grow and manipulate human cells with precision, speeding up drug discovery, tissue engineering, and regenerative medicine. By combining robotics, AI, and bioengineering, Biocellex reduces human error while scaling up experiments that once took weeks into days. It represents a leap toward personalized medicine and lab-grown organs, bringing futuristic healthcare solutions closer to reality. Ocean 2. Ocean 2 is a cutting-edge satellite designed to monitor Earth's oceans with unmatched precision. Equipped with advanced sensors, it tracks sea level rise, ocean currents, and climate change impacts in real time. This data is vital for predicting extreme weather, managing fisheries, and protecting coastal regions from flooding. By delivering highly accurate oceanographic information, Ocean 2 is transforming how scientists, governments, and industries respond to environmental challenges, making it a key player in safeguarding our planet's future. Nautilus Aircraft. The Nautilus Aircraft is a futuristic hybrid plane that combines elements of aviation and marine design for unmatched efficiency. Built with lightweight composite materials and advanced aerodynamics, it can travel longer distances while consuming less fuel. Its unique structure reduces drag and maximizes lift, making it both eco-friendly and high-performing. Designed for cargo and passenger transport, the Nautilus Aircraft represents a bold step towards sustainable aviation, blending innovation and practicality to redefine the future of flight. Verti Robot. The Verti Robot is an advanced humanoid designed to bring AI-powered assistance into daily life. Equipped with sensors, cameras, and adaptive learning, it can interact naturally, recognize objects, and perform complex household or workplace tasks. Its compact design makes it suitable for homes, offices, and even healthcare settings. Beyond functionality, Verti is built with expressive movements and human-like responses, making interactions more intuitive and engaging. It's a glimpse of how robotics is evolving from machines to true intelligent companions. Moto E6. The Moto E6 is a futuristic surveillance and navigation drone that combines AI vision with extreme agility. Designed for security, rescue, and exploration, it features advanced motion tracking, obstacle avoidance, and high-resolution imaging. Its compact frame allows it to maneuver through tight spaces, while real-time AI analysis provides instant insights. From monitoring large facilities to assisting in disaster zones, the Moto E6 shows how next-gen drones are evolving into intelligent, adaptable machines capable of handling critical tasks with precision. FASA 35. The FASA 35 is a groundbreaking solar-powered aircraft designed for long-endurance missions in the stratosphere. Operating at altitudes above weather and commercial air traffic, it can stay airborne for months without refueling. Equipped with lightweight solar panels and advanced batteries, it serves as a low-cost alternative to satellites for communications, surveillance, and Earth observation. Its ability to provide persistent coverage makes it ideal for defense, disaster response, and remote connectivity, redefining how we think about airborne technology. As we've seen, the future is already unfolding before our eyes. Robots that mimic life, drones the size of insects, planes powered by the sun, and even nuclear fusion promising endless clean energy. These inventions might sound like science fiction, but they're real, shaping 2025 and beyond. From revolutionizing transport and space exploration to transforming medicine and communication, Each breakthrough brings both incredible opportunities and new questions. Which of these mind-blowing innovations impressed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's see which future tech captures everyone's imagination. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic discoveries that you won't believe are real.